Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be giving you 7 hottest summer trend that you already have in your closets. You all know on this channel we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, and for that reason we always check into our closet first before we go shopping. Ladies, if you notice that I'm looking down every now and then, it's because I wrote down my points in order for me not to blab and not to waste your time. Even if you don't do trend, you can just bring this out and dress it up to make you look more youthful. You know, if you don't do trend, sometimes you're going to look outdated. Not that all head to toe should be trending, but every now and then you can jump into this trend just to remain youthful and beautiful and look, be on dates, be not outdated, kind of. So the first trend is called border yellow. It could be a top, it could be a dress, it could be a skirt, it could be two-piece. It could be that you want to start from the bottom and see if it matches your style, if it matches your aesthetic or matches your way of dressing. So just check your closet before you go out there to buy border yellow. The second one, which you probably own in your closet, trust me, you just need to check your closets because this is one of my favorites. And the reason why I call this particular one of my favorites is because on those days that you're bloating, you all know what I'm talking about already, right? It's peplum top. The moment you're feeling like you're bloated and you want to conceal that area of your body and still look very feminine and very chic and stylish, peplum top is the answer. Ladies, check into your closet. I own different styles of this, and the reason why I love peplum top is because it's going to associate your waist while still concealing your stomach area because of the style. So my ladies, check in your closet before you run out there to get this trendy style for this summer. You have them in your closet, trust me. The next one on my list is asymmetric style. It could be a top, it could be a dress. And some are very understated while some are overstated. It depending on the occasion, ladies. Just check in your closet. This is a way of bringing out your feminine silhouette, your feminine vibe. When you dress in this asymmetric design, they are so beautiful because some part of your body will be revealing while some part will be covered. The fourth one on my list, they are called the woven accessories. Who doesn't? When it comes to summer, let's think about it. When it comes to summer, we're all going to see all these woven accessories, most especially with the bags, the raffia bags. You're going to see woven earrings, and you're going to see woven bangles, all sort of woven accessories. They are so much in trend, especially for summertime. They can never go out of style. I will encourage you to look into your closet. Maybe the one from last summer, it's still gonna work for this summer, trust me. The fifth one on my list that most of us, this particular one, I think it flatters everybody shape. Talking about flare pants. We have them in jeans, we have them in pants. They are just out there for you to restyle them in a way that will suit your style. But flare pants is still something that is trending for this summer. So I encourage you ladies, we all have it. Either structure, either jeans, in any form, in any shape. Those beautiful silhouettes of flare pants, check them out in your closet before you run out there. The sixth one that I so much loved, and also this is another way for me to be able to overcome those bloating days. Trust me, ruched dress will do that for you. Depending on where the ruched design is, most time I like my ruched design to be at the front around my stomach area, so that when I'm getting bloated or I had too much food to eat and my stomach is a little bit not cooperating, ruched dress will conceal that for you too, depending on where the ruches are placed. All right, be mindful of that depending on how they design the ruches on the dress. But ruched dress are on trend is this summer, so check your closet and look out for those dresses that you already put at the back of your closet thinking that you will not need them. Bring them out for summer. Come on, bring them out for summer and enjoy the value for your money. And the last thing on my list, which I think it's always going and coming back, Trust me, ladies, big bold jewelries are back in trend for this summer. Check in your closet. These I've owned for several years, and look at how big it is. Several years, and they are back now, which means I can just wear this. Just this alone will be making a statement when I put it on. Look at that. Just that alone will make a statement. I don't need to add any other thing on this wrist with this one because it's loud enough. It's saying I am here and I'm not going anywhere. And I also have this one. This one is the it's like a wooden version with strings, so it's stretchy. So you can bring out your old jewelry bangles. They are big, bold jewelry statements. They are just fabulous to use for this summer. Check in your closet, ladies. Please don't forget to like this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please share this video with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.